Hello dear children, today we shall understand about credit creation, which is one of the important function. In order to understand credit creation, we need to take an example. Before we take an example, we shall understand some basic points. You should know that credit creation is undertaken to ensure the supply of money which fulfills the demand for money. If credit creation increases, then we can say that supply of money increases. And if credit creation decreases, then we can say supply of money decreases. That is, credit creation and supply of money are directly related to each other. Credit creation depends upon CRR, that is cash reserve ratio. Initially, CRR was 5% of the demand deposit and 2% of the time deposit. But from 1962 onwards, CRR can be between 3% to 15% only. Overdraft facility leads to credit creation. You should understand this thing, that overdraft facility leads to credit creation. Now overdraft means when a person withdraws excess amount from the bank over and above the balance available, that is called overdraft. In other words, if there is 5,000 rupees in the bank, you withdraw 6,000, then 1,000 additional that you have withdrawn is called overdraft. So we can say that credit creation depends upon cash reserve ratio. Now to understand how the credit is created, we have to make some assumptions. These assumptions will help you to make a better understanding. 4 assumptions are made by me. Number 1, we will assume that there is only one bank in the economy. Primary deposit available with the bank is rupees 1,000. CRR is decided by the central bank at 10%, and we assume that the people in the economy will either spend or deposit the money in the bank. The 4th assumption means that the money will not be kept as a hidden secret reserve. It will directly or indirectly come into the bank. Now on the next page, you can see the example. Right on the top over here, primary deposit is taken as 1,000. On the left side, CRR according to 10%, 1,000's 10% comes to 100. So 100 is kept as reserve with the bank, and the remaining 900 is credit created by the bank. Now this 900 will circulate in the economy, and again it will come to the bank because there is only one bank and people will either deposit or spend. So if they spend, money will go to another person and again it will come into the bank. So now bank is receiving 900 rupees. Out of 900, 90, that is 10%, is kept as reserve, and 810 is the credit created. This process continues. Now the question arises that how much credit has been created. So the formula is credit creation is equal to primary deposit multiplied by 1 upon CRR. So 1,000 multiplied by 1 upon 10% comes to 10,000. It means total credit created is 10,000. But however, we had 1,000 primary deposit, so new credit created is 9,000 rupees. So basically this is the entire process of credit creation. Dear children, if it is a 3-mark short note, you can write the assumptions and the example that you can see on the screen. In some books, the examples are given based on 20% CRR. That is also correct because it is only for understanding. But however, because CRR lies between 3% to 15%, I have taken the example whereby CRR is 10%. I hope you understand what I am trying to explain you. Thank you. Have a nice day.